Hi everybody, this is Jen from Scrapping Posh, and I am here today with the Stamperia music collection, and this is my Artistic Studio Creations design team project. And I just made an album that had a ton of paper in it. This particular album had a total of 12 pieces of paper in it total. So the Stamperia paper pad comes with 10 sheets of paper, and I used half of the cover, the front cover here, and then I think I accidentally cut some of this off, but it's actually right there, so I didn't technically use that. I could have used the sides. And then this is all that's left out of the 12 sheets of paper. Having said that, 3 of the sheets were cut aparts, and I used all those, but you could have done this without. So if you take those papers out, this is only 9 sheets of pattern paper. If you do that, you have to strategically cut your paper by doing all the big paper first and then going to the smaller size. If you do that, you end up with using less paper. So this is a 4 or 9, or it's bigger than that. It is a 10-inch by 4.5-inch album. The pages are 4 by 9.5 with a 2-inch spine. I used some fabric gold butterflies. It has 3 different kinds of ribbon on the charm. There are some strung beads. There is a metal tassel, and on each of the strung beads there is a key and a treble clef, a flat back treble clef. On the front I have more gold cloth butterflies, a couple of paper flowers, 1 sprig of pearls, and a couple other trinkets there. Here are some of the cut aparts. They have long tags. This is like an envelope. I did not close it because it does have a place to write on the inside. There is it's an equivalent of 4 by 6. I think it's 3.5 by 5. And then a long tag that is just out of white paper. And then this pocket has gold trim on it. Okay, so this flap flips up. It's a very long flap. And then the tag pulls out of the pocket on the side. And it has some of that same lace on it. Second page. Okay, so the second page has 2 pocket flaps and 2 tags in each. And then the third page has 2 large pockets. And a ruffle. And this page has 4 pockets. And I don't have tags for every pocket, but you can see they all house the smaller tag. And then this one has a triple vertical pocket. And the gold trim again. And then this one has one of the diagonal pockets. medium-sized tag and some cut aparts. And this one opens this way, and it kind of opens up into a bookshelf. Another tag. I should tell you what the tags measure. Tags measure, the usable part is 3 by 9. And then this is a waterfall. And at first, you'll see in the video, I got like dirt on this, so I had to actually cut a whole new piece of, it wasn't dirt, it was distress ink. So I had to cut a whole new piece of paper and fussy cut the violin out again, or cello, or whatever this is. It has to be a violin because it has a neck, chin rest there. Fairly large waterfall there. Tag. Belly band. Large tag. The gold doily down in the corner. There's a flap and there's a pocket here. And then we made an envelope, and the envelope's full. 2 small tags and some cut aparts. There we go. And if you guys are interested in this album, I have a tutorial on it. I will post that here within the next few days. It's going to be more than one, obviously, upload. Then I have this double flat pocket page there. And then this back pocket again has the lace on it. And some cut aparts and tags. And there's the back. Alright, this is Artistic Studio Creation design team project using the Stamperia music paper. Again, to complete the album just the way I did it, you would need 2 of the Stamperia pads, like that. And then about 25 sheets of white cardstock and some chipboard for the cover. And I will have a tutorial on everything except for the cover and the hinge, which I do cover and hinges on all my tutorials. So go ahead, check those out in a past video. So I thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for the tutorial. Please click like and subscribe if you would like to see more projects like this. And thanks again. Bye-bye.